Hi, my name is Thomas Bogaert and I'm the Chief Vehicle Dynamics of the Forze VII. I'm a fourth year aerospace student and this is my second year at Forze. I started out as a part-time member in the suspension department and this year I'm the Chief of the Vehicle Dynamics department. So basically everything regarding the suspension, such as the tires, dampers, uprights, all the components in the suspension. The reason why I chose for Forze was the fact that the vision of Forze in fuel cell technology and hydrogen as a fuel in the future really appealed to me. I also believe that in the future we'll be driving on fuel cell technology. For the Forze VII we started with a complete blank sheet of paper for the suspension. So basically we designed the entire suspension from scratch, both front and rear. We started with a literature study looking at the different kinds of race car suspensions that there are. From that we went to a conceptual design, so basically choosing what kind of suspension we want to use on our car. In the end it's a double wishbone pushrod suspension. With the conceptual design done, we went to a more detailed design, so actually designing all the different components in the suspension. We used PEM analysis for the structural components, but also kinematics in order to see if we can get the required parameters for our suspension that we want. With that design done, we went to the actual manufacturing of our suspension, so the uprights, but also the rockers, which I have here, which we actually made in a dream ourselves on the CNC machine. It took some time, but I'm very proud of the result actually, and I think they'll be a fine addition to our car. With all the components in production, the next steps are finishing up those components, both as sponsors and here in the dream hall by ourselves. When all those components are in, we can start with assembling the suspension on the car. When that's all done, we have a rolling chassis. However, we still need the power. So therefore, Sjoerd van Empelen, our chief fuel cell, will tell you something more about our fuel cell system and where we get our power from in the next episode. But for now, I would like to thank you for watching and hopefully see you again in the next episode.